Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorite natural hair products. I don't use the most expensive products and I still think my hair looks great and feels great, and I don't do the most with my natural hair. Not because I don't want to, because I feel like if I had money I would buy a lot of natural hair products. Every product needs to know that I probably buy it, and but I one of them what you call shelf that natural hair people have. I stock up with every product from every line, but yeah, I can't afford to do that. So I just stick to the products that I can afford to buy and make them they work for me. So the first product that I love, absolutely love since I just went natural is Tresemme conditioner. This is a very cheap conditioner. It's like $600–$700 in Jamaica. It can be mixed with anything. I mix it with my protein treatments. I mix it with my oils and shea butters for moisturizing deep conditioner. I use it to style my hair, and I use it to co-wash. I use it for everything, and it leaves my hair silky and soft. So that's my #1 favorite conditioner. I'm not really fussy about ingredients. No, no silicone. No, yeah, I'm not really fussy about that. The next thing on my Every Strand Earthy Hair Essentials Shea and Coconut Oil Deep Moisture Hair Mask. I've never used this product before. I recently bought it and it's almost done. It smells fantastic and it leaves my hair feeling fantastic. I use it to deep condition. I don't use it to co-wash, and I also use it as a styler. So as you can see, I love conditioners. Anything on my hair soft, I just use it and nobody fuss about nothing, because it's not like I have any money to be trying anything else. So I just use what I can afford and make it work. And my hair feels great, my hair looks great when I use it. And I used it in my 10-minute wash and go video, because this actually leaves my hair feeling like butter, so that I can actually do my hair. My next favorite will have to be Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In or the Argan Oil one. They both work great for my hair. I've been using that since I went natural also, and it never disappoints. It always leaves my hair soft. I can detangle with it, I can style with it, anything, and it don't cost a lot of money. It's like, I don't know. It's under $1,000 Jamaican dollars though, depending on where you go to buy it. If you go to an expensive store, they're going to overprice it and charge you more than it. Next product on my list is a Jamaican brand. It's the Ashley Hair Butter Cream. Now this is a sealant. I do not remember the ingredients, but I know it's like shea butter, mango butter. Just them nice things there where natural people like to have in their hair. I don't remember the ingredients, but I really love that hair butter cream because it works as a sealant and it leaves your hair feeling soft and shiny. And after I use my leave-in conditioner, or before when my hair is wet, like freshly washed, then I would use that product, and let me tell you, it made my hair soft. So the final product on my list, this is a product that I cannot do without. If I have this, I can't go on the road. Eco Styler Gel. I've been using Eco Styler Gel again since I've been natural, and I use everyone basically. I use the argan oil one, the olive oil one, the black one, the clear one, the blue one, the pink. I've never used the pink one, but now my favorite one is the castor oil one, and I also use that in my 10-minute wash and go video. I use that to define my curls, and it's just my favorite, and it's actually cheap. Eco Styler Gel cheap overall because you can get a 5-pound jar of Eco Styler Gel for like $1,200 if you're going on wholesale. It's somewhere expensive, just know that it's cheaper than that and it's actually affordable. I use this gel to style my hair, do my wash and goes, leave my edges, everything, and and my battery is dying and I don't want it to shut off while I'm talking. So bye guys, I hope this video was helpful and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!